welcome back.
Commercial break over.
All right, now look at this. 1/4. Now, does this have 100 in the denominator?
Yeah.
No.
No. All right. So it takes 4 quarters to make $1, right?
Yeah.
If I only have 1/4, how much cents is that?
25.
Good. 0.25. All right. What percent would that be?
25.
Literally move this decimal over 2 spots.
25%.
25%. Good job.
It was the hardest thing today.
Pardon? All right. That's okay. All right. Now, if you wanted to check this, let's multiply the top and bottom by 25 because we want the denominator to be 100, okay? All right. What's 1 times 25?
25 because it's just itself multiplying itself by 1. So it's just 25.
Praise Jesus. That warms my heart. Okay. What is 4 times 25?
100.
100. I don't get out much. It's okay. All right. Now, let's go here and try and figure out what the fraction is. 4, because, well, it says 4, over what?
100.
100. She said that like...
I need to work.
Oh my God. Welcome to my crazy life. All right, now, if you only have 4 cents, what percent do you have of $1?
4%.
4%. I'm so glad you're here. Good. All right. So, show your work. Well, there wasn't any. Smiley. Okay. Now, let's go for 9%. If you have 9%, okay, what is a perfect test? How much percent is in a perfect test?
100.
100. Good job. All right. Now, what would that be as a decimal?
0.09.
Beautiful. 0.09. Or this is how you would write 9 cents, like out of $1. I'm going to put another smiley. There's really not any work you need to show. All right. Let's mosey on down the page. All right. Ooh. Now look, this is in the tenths place. Don't let that fool you. So we're going to put 3 over 10 because it's in the tenths place. Yes, you may.
Thank you.
All right. Now, what should I multiply by to get this little stinker to 100? 10. Good job. Yes. All right, go straight across. What's 3 times 10?
30.
30 for our Diddy's age. What's 10 times 10?
100.
100. Okay. What could we put here as a placeholder? 0.
So make
Oh, this restores my faith. Very good. Okay. Now, what percent would that be?
30.
30.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay.
Oh no.
It's all right.
That's how we learn.
Now, smiley. It's going to be okay. Breathe.
Wait, we don't have to do the smiley.
Yes, you do need the smiley. Everybody needs a smiley.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, over here where it says show your work, this is where it gets hairy because there is no whole number where I could say 8 times like 10 would equal 100. Poo-poo. So, sorry, I don't mean to use colorful language. So, we're going to put the 3 on the inside of the division bar. And actually, I really like this. I'm going to zoom in. It's about to get crazy. 8 on the outside. Now, can 8 go into 3? No. Put a 0, and we're going to put a decimal point on top, on the bottom, and put another 0 because we're going to go into the next place value. Now, I like, you know how I have weird nicknames for things like Mo Money, Kit Kat, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I like to call the decimal point the pimple. Nobody likes if you stare at their pimple. It's rude. So, the only reason I say that is ignore it right now. Don't look at the pimple.
I'm not trying to.
Thank you. How many times can 8 go into 30?
5. No. 3.
3. Good job. Put a 3. Now, what is 3 times 8?
24.
24. Good job. Subtract, and what are we left with?
6.
6. All right, now we're going to go into the next place value. I call this dropping the water balloon. So bring down the 0. Psh. How many times can 8 go into 60?
7.
Excellent. 7. Put a 7 on top of the water balloon we just dropped. What is 7 times 8?
52. 51.
56. So, let's subtract. What is 60 minus 56? 4. Great. Diddy's age at heart. Now, let's put a 0. We're going to drop the next water balloon. Now, how many times can 8 go into 40?
5.
Great. Put the 5. And 5 times 8 is 40.
40.
So this does something that's called terminating or terminates. That means it ends.
0.30.
Okay. So that looks a little bit difficult.
We can't
0. Oh, Diddy, I'm sorry. Thank you for saying something. 0.375 or 375 thousandths.
Why?
What percent do you think this would be? Would it make sense?
About 1?
Would it make sense to say it's 375%?
No.
No, that's way too much. Look, this
Yeah.
isn't even half. This is not even 50%.
Maybe 3%?
It's not
30.
37.
7.
Yes,
Oh yeah.
37.5. Great job. Thanks for coming to school today.
Why do you say that every video?
Because I